Welcome to Mama Bill's Kitchen. Salted caramel sauce is wonderful on cheesecake, brownies, and other treats. It even makes boring vanilla ice cream taste great. This foams up as you add ingredients, so be sure to use a deep saucepan. Here are the ingredients you need to make this recipe. Sugar, salted butter, heavy cream, salt. Now let's make it. In a medium-size heavy-duty saucepan, melt the sugar over medium heat, about 5 minutes. Stir constantly to prevent burning. Continue heating until the sugar turns into a caramel-colored liquid, which happens very quickly once it is liquefied. Slowly add the butter pieces and whisk together. Caution, this can bubble up and splatter. Once the butter has been mixed in, cook for 1 minute without stirring. If you stir it, small crystals will form when the liquid splashes on the side of the pan. Crystals beget more crystals, and you will end up with grainy sauce. Slowly whisk in the heavy cream. Same caution applies, the volume of the mixture will increase a lot. After the heavy cream has been added, stop stirring and allow to boil for 1 minute. Remove from heat and mix in the salt. Allow to cool slightly and transfer to a 500 ml, 2-cup, storage container. Quick! Wash your pans and utensils before the remnants solidify. This solidifies when cooled, so warm by putting the container in a pan of hot water or in a microwave for about 30 seconds if necessary. Now I'm hungry. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. For many more recipes and cooking tips, please visit mamabills.com. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.